Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the heading statistics. So in each standard itself, some standard itself, they are given some introduction in statistics. So what is statistics? Means one person. This is one person collect the information from group of peoples. Collect the information from group of peoples, that is called statistics. What informations? For example, in the class, how many students get the pass mark, how many students get the fail mark, what are the percentage, like that informations. Or how many students in a class taking above 50 mark, how many students are taking below 50 mark, how many of them having centum. So various types of students which are there. So like that, collect the information about the students or mark list or information of the peoples, how many women, how many men are there. Like that, statistics are information the collected from the various people by the one person, and then we calculate and give the percentage or data, that is called statistics. Right. So data. In data we are having the two types. One is primary data, another one is secondary data. Primary data. Data that are collected in person for the first time. Note it down. For the first time for a specific purpose. That is student informations, mark or age of the student, how many of them are going to school, how many of them are sitting in the home, like that. Any data. So first time collected information, that is called primary data. Then second data means already we collected some data. Using this data, one more time we are collecting the information, means by the given data, that is called secondary data, already collected by some other person. One data is already collected. Again, for the verification we are collecting and gathering the information is called, that is called secondary data. Right? Then range. One more heading is range. How we have to find the range? Difference between the largest and the smallest values of the given data. Difference between the largest and the smallest value. Sir, what sir you are saying data and primary data, secondary data, range statistics? We can't understand. No, don't worry. In exercise, what we are having, that time also we will explain the informations. Clear? So now just listen. What are the data means what, and range is what, and the group data is what, ungrouped data is what. So in exercise we started means that time we will explain why we are using this. That time it will be helpful to watch the problem under. Clear? So difference between the largest and the smallest value. Largest value, this is formula. Range equal to largest and smallest value. That is L minus S. Largest value minus smallest value. How we have to find the range? Range means this is formula. Range equal to L minus S. For example, here given the data 5, 15, 10, 7, 20. Which one is largest number? 20 is the largest number. So 20 minus smallest number 5. So here answer is 15. So for this given data, the range is 15. The range is 15 is the range. So in the sum they are asking range, means we have to use this formula, right? So here inclusive series in the class interval, if the upper limit and lower limit are included in the class interval, then it is called inclusive series. What is class interval? The students are getting mark 5 to 10 mark. How many boys are getting? 11 to 20 mark. How many boys are getting? 21 to 30 mark. How many boys are getting? right? In between her 5 to 10 mark, that is one by getting 6 mark, one by getting 8 mark, one by getting 9 mark, 10 mark, like that. How many students are there? That is called class interval. In class we are having 40 students. We are having means we are separating the students 10 to 5 to 10 mark. How many students are getting? 11 to 20 mark. How many students are getting? 21 to 30 mark. How many students are getting? So suppose here there are 5 students, we have 7 students, we have 9 students. Like that we need to mention. This area is called class interval. We are saying the class interval. Clear? So this is 5 students. 5 students are having only 5 to 10 marks only getting in the examination. Like that we mentioned, we are giving the statistics, data. Clear? So this column is called class interval. The same class interval we are written like this: 5 to 10, 10 to 20, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, like this. Same only, continuous. So here inclusive series means in the class interval, if the upper limit and lower limit are included in the class interval, then it is called inclusive series. Example, 11 to 20, then 21 to 30, then 31 to 40. Like this we have written the class interval, means that is called inclusive series. But exclusive series means in the class interval, if the upper limit and one class interval is the lower limit of the next class interval, then it is called exclusive series. See here, this 15 is here what? This is upper limit. This is lower limit. No, this is here 15. Here 15 is lower limit. And then upper limit, lower limit, upper limit. Here lower, here greater number means, for example, here 15 is smaller number only. Here 15 is greater number. Here 15 is small. Sorry, here 15 is greater number compared to 10. So here large number, the same number in this interval, small number. So that is we are saying upper limit of one class interval is lower limit of the next class. Here first class 10 to 50 means this is upper limit, but in the second class same number acts as the smaller limit, lower limit, right? 15 to 20. Now this is small number, this is greater number. So like this we are having means this is called exclusive series. Like this, this is inclusive series, this is exclusive series. In other words, they are saying the class intervals are two types. One is continuous class interval, another one is discontinuous class interval. This is continuous class interval. This is discontinuous class interval. So we are having, this is called class interval. In class interval they are mentioned the name inclusive series and then exclusive series. So here one more heading, pie chart or pie diagram. This is like on pizza. Like this cut means this is population. This is population area, this is rich, this is poor. Rich people, poor people. They are given data. So like that we are cutting. Like this we divide means this is called pie chart. So same thing here, pie chart. We separate the graph, red color, 1% that is 30% red color, 40% green color, 15% blue color, again 15% yellow color. Like this we separate means this is called pie chart. Pie chart is a circular graph. Pie chart is called a circular graph, and then pie chart or pie diagram. We are saying pie chart or pie diagram.